As somebody who owns a stack of GoPros, the Sony ZV-1 on the shelf back there, the Nikon Z30 recording this video, and a Canon R6 Mark II, what else could I possibly want for cameras, right? Well, welcome back to Creator Reality, my friend. Today, we're gonna unbox this, the DJI Pocket 3 Creator Combo. Afterwards, I'm gonna come back here, give you my first impressions on it, and tell you why I bought it. So let's begin. Look at that, the Osmo Pocket 3. Let's unbox this thing. This is the Creator Combo. So it's got all sorts of extra gizmos in it. Got our knifey here. Oh good, it's got a case and a silica pack. Don't eat this, that's bad for you. It's manuals, more manuals, and a box of accessories. Let's see what we got here. So this, I think, is going to be our little case. Yeah, we need one of those. Black Pro Mist goes there, wide angle lens goes there. That's neat. It's all packaged in this nice thick plastic. Oh look, it's got a pull strap. Pull! Pull! I feel like one of those people rowing a boat. Look at that. There's a thing and a thing and a... Ooh. Ooh, look at that. So, what do we got here? That is slick. Look at that. That's the DJI Mic 2. And on this end, let's see what we got here. This is going to be a USB adapter deal. What is this? All right, we'll have to figure all this out. And this one, this is going to be the battery handle. Yeah, look at that. And it's got a USB deal. And what is this, a protective thing? Yeah. When mounting, insert the battery handle. Ooh, does this say what it is? So this is just an extension handle. This is the battery handle. Okay, I'm digging it. I'm digging it so far. DJI, you're impressing with your quality of products. I do have the RS3 Mini gimbal, so I'm not too unfamiliar with DJI. This is going to be our mini tripod. It's a propeller. I'm a propeller head, and that'll screw into there. Now I can vlog. Record me, look at me, I'm vlogging. It's kind of what I do, isn't it? We're gonna just attach that to here, because I've got big man hands, and I need to be able to swing my camera around willy-nilly. Anyway, moving on. Ooh, look at that. That's it. So it flips that way, and it comes on. Whoa, look at that. That's cool. And that's a joystick, right? Oh, I can't do anything until I... Boop, it powers off. Oh, that is neat. And there's a sticker on it. I should probably read the instructions now, but I can't get this. There's a sticker in here and I can't get that off until I turn the camera on. Well, I guess we have to peel this off. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, screen. You know, oh, look at the static. Oh, the static. Anyway, this is a right-handed camera. If it was a left-handed camera, I could flip it this way. I guess I'll have to do like that. Nope. Oh, look, it comes up. Yes, English. Yep, we're gonna turn it back off. Can I do that? Can I do that? I gotta do a thing on my phone. Cool. Oh, I forgot to take the sticker off. That's neat. We're gonna set that on the box. Ooh, more goodies. What is in here? Ah, the wide angle lens, I suppose. Is it magnetic? I'm gonna screw this up. Wide angle lens, and it shows the little bit. So this side goes down. Ooh, wait. Haha, it's magnetic. That's cool. Does that mean it came with something else too? A Black Pro Mist? There's a USB-C cable. That'll come in handy. Another silica pack. Don't eat those. What is this nonsense? Oh. So this goes in the hole here, I hope. Yeah. And then it clips into place. Ooh, soft. Furry. Ooh, yes, nice. And then a carrying strap. What the heck do I need a carrying strap for? Is this for the camera? Where's the camera? It's got a little deal right there. We're not going to use that on this model. Anything else? Oop, oop, oop. We got another package. What is this? Oh, Oh, this is the magnet. All right, so check this out. I love this top-down view. How you liking the top-down view? Boop the like button. So this magnet should let me do something like that. Haha, that's so cool. Don't lose the magnet, John. Don't. Oh, geez, that's loud. Oh my God, that's son of a. Wow, that is a strong magnet. Hold on. Let's try something fancy. Look, man, nothing up my sleeve. Oh yeah, there's a mic attached to my sleeve. Yeah, that's a strong magnet. Okay. This is a really nice case, by the way. Soft felt line, got little compartments for everything. That's neat. Okay, so empty, 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 empty. Gotta clean up all our trash, right? Stuff all the stuff in here, right? Put all our plastic in here. I saved these boxes for like a year. It's kind of nuts, I know, right? I want to make sure it all works. Shimmy, shimmy, Cocoa Puff. All right, we can take this piece off. These two items we won't need, but this one, oh, that's nice. I like that. I'm gonna put this magnet somewhere special, off frame so you don't see it. It's beautiful in here. So then, I think you're supposed to be able to put this in here like that. Am I gonna break this on day one? There's my lens, okay. So it's a 1-inch sensor, huh? That's fancy. I don't know what's supposed to go there. I should read up on this. This is nuts. Whoa, whoa. Push the button on the back. It's like a lightsaber, and then it's like, Obi-Wan. The student has become the master. That's not clipped in. There's a Pocket 3 and a mic. Clippy, 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 clippy. Why is there a screen protector on it? It's not a screen. I'm gonna leave those on. Pretty cool though, right? Pocket 3 unboxed. So that was the unboxing of the DJI Pocket 3 Creator Combo. There it is, it's in my hand. This thing is tiny, look at this. It doesn't even stretch from the bottom of my palm to the tips of my fingers. And yet, it contains almost everything this ZV-1 has, and this monstrosity, the DJI RS3 Mini, which if I loosen this handle, pop it out, you can see I added a small rig handle to this, by the way. Should make two-handed operation easier, but we're not here for that. Look at this. It's got the screen and it's got a joystick and all that, and it fits my big old man hands pretty good, but it's a monstrosity and it weighs like 3 pounds. And then you add something like this or my Nikon to it, you're adding another couple of pounds. Or you could just carry this in your pocket. That's why I bought it. I can get better than action camera footage, hopefully, with this, because it does have a 1-inch sensor. That's bigger than a GoPro and most other action cameras. But I can get better than action camera footage with this little guy and still have smooth footage like I would get from the Nikon there on the RS3 Mini. Or close to, if not a little bit better than the Canon R6 Mark II. I don't know. That's a pretty compelling reason. Is it $700 worth? Because let's be honest, this thing is $669 with the Creator Combo Kit. Now, if you buy the base package, that's only $519. But that $140 gets you a lot. I mean, it comes in this fancy case and it's got all the extension handles and stuff. So you can just, willy-nilly, connect this guy up, and I'll do it while I'm talking. There it is. And I put a Falcam F38 quick release on here. I did a review of that. I love this stuff. It'll act as a tripod, kind of, and it'll go on a tripod. So look, the Mic 2 transmitter and the battery extension handle alone retail for like $170. So for less than that, you get all the stuff you saw during the unboxing. And I think that's just a great deal. I honestly don't know why DJI offers the base package unless it's your second or third one and you already have the extensions, but wouldn't you need more extensions? I don't know. Leave a comment below. What am I missing here? But the reason I put this on here is not only to use it on a tripod, but when I set it on my desk, and now I rock the camera like an idiot, when this thing opens up and I'm going to transfer files over, you you know, you see this, it's moving. You don't want to have like this thing sitting on your desk and then it breaks the gimbal. That would be bad. I can see this being fragile. It's Italian. But right off the bat, some things I noticed. Time for the first impressions. It is sleek, but it's too small. It really is. Even with this extension handle on here, see where it comes to on my hand? Now, if I pop this off, and this is another reason I got the battery extension handle in the Creator Combo Kit, right? I got it connected there. Now with my thumb on the joystick, it comes almost all the way to the bottom of my hand, and it's far more comfortable for me to use versus trying to do this and giving myself arthritis. The other thing I noticed, because I already put an SD card in it, is the slot. The slot is really finicky. It was tight. It was a tight fit. And I ended up using the corner of my credit card to put it in there. So yeah, that was suboptimal. Yeah. Anyway, other than that, I haven't really seen a whole lot of downside to this thing. Oh yeah, outside of the Mimo app, which is a conundrum wrapped in an enigma, because it's available on the iPhone, Apple Store, whatever they call it. I have an Android, so it's not available on Google Play. You have to sideload it, which is not great. I downloaded it on my phone, hit install. Do you want to do this? Yes. Do you really want to do this? Yes. And then it installed. I get it. But that app is doing something that Google doesn't like. So not a huge fan of that. That's kind of a negative mark in my book on that one. Also, that app is confusing. As tech savvy as I can be, it took me a while and a couple of YouTube videos to figure that one out. It ended up being click around until I found a button called connect. I don't know. Your luck and mileage may vary, but the little button that it said was on the screen didn't exist. I think I went into album and then it said, do you want to connect? It was like a half an hour. I didn't film it, and now I don't remember the steps. So I can't help you there, but yeah, that's about it. So I'm really looking forward to seeing what this thing produces. With a bigger sensor than an action camera, the footage should have pretty good details in it. Not quite Nikon or Canon level, but it'll be up there, hopefully. And it's gonna have stable footage, which is really important. And it's got a few more tricks up its sleeve that I look forward to testing fully. So subscribe if you don't wanna miss that. But hey, even if you liked the video, boop the like button, right? We did the unboxing. I gave you my first impressions. I delivered on all my promises. I'm a good content creator, right? Hopefully I'm gonna be a better one. Anyway, that's all I got for you today. I hope you enjoyed it. Until next time, check out this video. It's one that YouTube picked of mine for you to watch, and I hope you're having a great day. John out.